What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today we playing around, having a little fun, man. Cuzo, y'all know Cuzo over here, man. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe. He over there in the shadows right now. It's a little warm out here, but Cuzo about to drive R&B, man. Like I said, he finna do a whole little review on it. Look at, boy, boy, that waltz right there, boy, he finna get their work. Let me see y'all what he finna get their work. Oh, come on. Come on with it. Where he at? He running. He know he finna get this work, y'all. Y'all finna see Showtime at Apollo. But yeah, Cuzo one of the very few that actually drove it. So he gonna do a little review for it and stuff for his channel, man. I wanna check that out when he get finished. But man, you know, I'm gonna bring the shotguns out for him and all that, man. I'm gonna do that vlog for y'all. I'm gonna bring shotguns out and stuff. We're gonna run through them car. I just got some new ammo. Just came in. It's a light load though. So I gotta see how they cycle the ammo. The Benelli, which I feel like the Benelli is a more expensive shotgun. It's a super expensive shotgun. But the bullpup, I'm wondering how the bullpup gonna handle it, cause they don't handle light loads good. But I done ran some rounds through it, so it should be broke in. But we gonna find out. And they're gonna be my first time mag dumping that 15 round magazine of the shotgun with the bullpup. So anyway, y'all stay tuned. Finna make something happen. Check this out, y'all. So I'm showing Cuzo this. Cuzo ain't never shot no bullpup. I brought it. He said, "Man, what is it?" He said, "No." He said, "It's a shotgun." But now I'm telling him about them. So, but they won't see. And they gun right here. They don't shoot. It shoot beanbag round too. You know, all of them can't shoot them. So it can shoot them beanbag round. But this one like semi. That's why I got that slide right there. You can go semi, but then you can switch it over, and then you can do like pump action too. But this one on semi all the time. Then y'all know we got the extra mag. It came with 5 round, but this is 10 round. This is 15 right there. So man, we finna try that. Oh, let me show y'all the ammo. Let me show y'all the ammo, man. They some light rounds. I just got some for practice. Some feather. So I want to see how both of them cycle their ammo right here. Then I told her, I said, look, last time I shot a shotgun with your Mossberg. Remember we went out there and shot you that day? Oh yeah. Well, he just had that Mossberg, man. And we shot that, man. We had fun with that. So we finna shoot these. Man, cause I hope your shoulder's some good, man. I'm talking about I hope your shoulder right. Hey, look, I'm gonna let him mad dunk this one. So I'm gonna mad dunk the 15. I'm gonna let him mad dunk the 10 and see how he like it or whatever. So we gonna get him loaded up. Hold on, y'all. I got my good ammo in here. I just thought about it. Yeah, I got these my home defense round. These them black slug. Yeah, they got to come up out of there. So I'm gonna load some of these up. Let me show y'all. They light, man. I'm talking about they real light round. See, you can feel the difference. We're gonna see what to them though. Go ahead and tear the can down some more. Y'all all right? I got this mag fully loaded. It said on the pack it said 18, but it holds 19. So if you want to keep one in the head, it's 19 plus 1. You can have 20. So yeah. Oh boy, did like a little carnival game, boy. I tell you, had a little cup stacked up. Teeny better put on. I just realized getting all them cups. Hey, Teeny, quit getting all them cups. She getting all these cups, man. I'm gonna take it out her piggy bank. She got to buy some. Quit getting all them cups, Teeny. Don't get no more cups. So yeah, that 19 in that one, 10 in that one. Gonna let Cuzo dunk that one, see how it feel. And shoot, man, we're gonna run through 3 boxes of bullets just like that. 60. How many in this box? 15. So we finna run through about 45 rounds just like that. Cause I'm finna put some of these in there. Then I gotta shoot it, then let Cuzo shoot it. So y'all finna see some gun smoke. Alright, checking in, y'all. So look, we got 15 round mag. Well, I mean, not 15, 19. We got 19 rounds. I'm gonna see if that bullpup gonna cycle. So I'm just gonna mag though. I ain't even on nothing. I'm gonna shoot at the ground, but we're gonna see if it cycle. I think it broke in enough. We're gonna see. All 19, so I guess it broke in, man. We're gonna let Cuzo get a little bit of this now. Alright, y'all, Cuzo got 10 rounds. Yeah, when you pull the slide back, you'll be ready. And that's the safety right here. They're all, it's on right now though. Gotta dump it, man. Fast as you can, 10 on. You probably can't hear me, y'all. Right there. Yeah, he flipped on, alright. That thing got the kick. It hold open.
Yeah.
Alright, empty.
You maybe you had it all the way around.
It was off.
Yeah.
That's what I said. I couldn't remember how if I gave it to you on or off. I just know one went in the head. What you think?
Just probably.
The kick, and we shooting some light loads. If we had some heavy loads, it's show no kick.
I wouldn't even balance then either.
I know, cause you.
I was trying to see what they gonna shoot.
See what it hitting like. Yeah, they took a hit. But we empty, y'all see last round boat hold open. So now, finna shoot the Benelli, and then we're gonna be done.
Yeah.
Alright, so look, we finna shoot the Benelli. M3, I'm just gonna see if it cycled around. I'm gonna aim with this one though. It's cycling though. Still got some oil in there, gotta burn off, cause they still pretty new. Alright, so let's check the can out. I was a little high on the last two, but oh yeah. Oh, it done. We don't almost top this in half, Cuzo. Look at what the rest on when it hit. That Benelli that Benelli different, man.
Oh yeah.
That Benelli did this. Same ammo, different gun, but that when it got hit with the Benelli, man, that's a good gun. Golly. Woo. Yeah, it's done. I think it's time for this can to go scrap, y'all. Cuzo did the number on the bottom. When he mad dumped. Yeah, they done right here. That Benelli went ahead and knocked a hole in it. A huge hole. So we're gonna check back in with y'all. Alright, checking in, y'all. Checking in. We just got finished. We just got finished letting everything eat, man. Cuzo done drove the car. Like I said, y'all gotta check that vlog out on his channel. I can't wait to see it myself. He had the GoPro and stuff in there too. So, like I said, man, it's just been a good day. We just chilling now. Like I said, they're chilling out. I'm finna load these back up, so they'll be good to go. Rounds do what they do, man. Long as they cycle, they're the main thing, man. Long as they cycle. So they cycle. I'm finna get I got these big boy slug, man. I'm finna get these put back in the bullpup. Cause I tell you what, if one of them don't cycle, it's gonna be the bullpup. The bullpup before that Benelli. That Benelli gonna run with pretty much what you put in it. So I'm gonna put the light loads in the Benelli, and I got some more in there too. But for now, I'm gonna put the light loads in, and I'm gonna put them grown men back in that 10 round mag. But that bullpup, man, I guess it broke in, cause it ran through that ammo, all 19 of them, quick too. And I feel it in my shoulder right here. I feel it right up in here in my shoulder, chest area and stuff. I feel it, boy, from dumping that 19 and dumping that 5. Boy, I feel it. I feel it, man. So yeah, man. Like I told you, I feel the junk in my chest from the mag dumps. But all in all, say a good day, man. That's it. So that's it. Appreciate y'all. Catch y'all later. BCG. We out.